Welcome to MEK Review's newly renovated Closter Campus, a state-of-the-art facility that lets you take tests and meet with tutors while staying safe. Students enter the building at scheduled and staggered times to prevent overcrowding. Every student sanitizes their hands and stands in front of our touchless thermometer before being allowed to continue into the building. Students with signs of fever or symptoms leave and make alternate arrangements to ensure safety. Once they're checked in, students head downstairs if they're taking a test, where our proctors give students their test packet and direct them to their individual enclosed testing pod. All staff and students are required to wear masks when outside of the testing pods. The testing pod is completely sanitized, so once a student enters, they can sit down, take off their mask, and get started. Whether a test is on the computer or a physical copy, our staff has everything set up for our students and ready to go. Each testing pod has its own air supply and return ducts. The air supply is specially treated using a hospital-grade UV sterilization system that ensures that while you are in a testing pod or tutoring suite, the air you breathe will be completely safe. After each use, our staff thoroughly cleans any touch surface in the testing pod before it is used by a student again. Students here for on-site tutoring are directed upstairs to their assigned tutoring suite. There are two doors, one for the teacher and one for the student. Students go through the door marked with the red S for students. Our teachers will be waiting on the other side of the glass. The tutoring suite uses the same hospital-grade air handling system as a testing pod, so that even the teacher and student don't share the same air. Once you enter, you can sit down, take off your mask, and begin your session. To ensure clear communication, there is an intercom system that allows the teacher and student to talk freely by the touch of a button. MEK, new solutions, same quality education.